1.
Download Sims 4 Image Viewer and UI Texture Squasher.
Find that in the description.
In Image Viewer, File, Common File, UI.
2.
Locate the two images related to your location of choice. Extract. Copy DC9's number to the Pixified keeper
Find that in the description.
and save it.
3.
In the UI Texture Squasher, locate DCA file. Locate DC9 file. Convert. Edit said image. Save. Back in UI Texture, add PNG. Convert. Save.
4.
In Sims 4 Studio, create empty package. Add DST image. Okay. Select DST image. Data. Paste DC9's group number and instance number. Add. Change last character of group to A. Okay. Select the DCA. Image. Import. Import converted DCA. Repeat on other DST. Done. My, Alice has fallen down the well again. Well, no place like home.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.